In this video, I'll guide you through setting up and add custom fees in WooCommerce using our plugin. Follow these simple steps to apply custom fee for special products and specific payment option. Let's dive right in. Once you activate the plugin, first you need to go to the Manage Fee section by click on this Manage Fees top menu from here. You need to add a new custom fee from here. I've already configured a fee called Secure Payment as a custom fee. Let's click Edit to show you the settings. First, add the fee title, Secure Payment. Then, select the fee type, fixed or percentage charges, and enter the fee amount. Scroll down to the other options where you can choose to make this fee taxable or not from this radio options. Then after, you can make this fee as an optional or not. For that, choose the corresponding option from here like No or Yes from radio buttons. Then, choose required options like Default, check the custom fee from here, and add the fee descriptions here, etc., which will enable on the checkout page. Next, in the Conditional Fee Rules section, add custom fee rules. For example, I've selected the country option and selected the United States country here. I've also added another rule from specific product section, like product variation equal to the micro slip top, large red variation, in right side to apply the custom fee for this product if added to the cart. Additionally, I've chosen the payment gateway option from here and selected the direct bank transfer option here. You can also apply advanced fees if required. Like, in the Advanced Fee section, you can add rules based on product quantity. For example, if the product quantity is 5 to 10, add $10 fee. For 11 to 20 quantity range, add $20 fee. And for 21 or more add $25, and many more. Now, click Update Fee to save the settings. Settings have saved now. Let's see this in action on the front end. Add the product to the cart. Click on the View Cart button. In the cart page there is only one quantity added. Scroll down and let's process for the checkout by click here. On the checkout page, you'll see the billing details in the left side, and in the right side you able to see the shipping and cart total details. Below you able to see the optional fee with title and short description for user guide. Select this option, and the custom fee will be applied above here. This optional fee only enabled if the user has selected the custom fee services from this section. Now, let's place an order from here to complete the order. On the Thank You page, scroll down below to see the order details about product, shipping and the custom fee. Like the fee title here and fee amount applied here. So, this way you can configure the custom fee rules. For premium plugin and unparalleled support, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. Thank you for watching.